Environmental sustainability. 5 simple steps to make a big impact. In today's world, we all play a role in protecting our planet. Every small step we take makes a difference in creating a healthier and more sustainable environment for future generations. These 5 easy tips can help you contribute to a greener future. Tip 1. Reduce your plastic footprint. Tip 1 suggests A. Reusable bags. B. Avoid single-use plastics. C. Recycle and dispose properly. D. Support plastic-free businesses. Tip 2. Adopt a plant-based diet. Tip 2 suggests RD to adopt a plant-based diet, which should focus on 1. Reduced carbon footprint. 2. Improved health. 3. Conservation of resources. 4. Animal welfare. Tip 3. Conserve water and energy at home. Conserve water and energy at home will help to 1. Water conservation. 2. Energy conservation. 3. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Tip 4. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Tip 4 stresses on 1. Reduce consumption. 2. Reuse materials. 3. Recycle properly. Tip 5. Support sustainable businesses. Tip 5 guides to do 1. Research sustainable products. 2. Support local businesses. 3. Advocate for change. The impact of individual actions. The impact of individual actions includes reduced pollution, climate change mitigation, biodiversity conservation. Conclusion. A greener future starts with you. By making simple changes in our daily lives, we can contribute to a healthier and more sustainable future for ourselves and generations to come. Every action, no matter how small, can make a difference in protecting our planet. Together, we can create a greener and brighter future for all. Thank you for watching.